Here are 10 success tips inspired by Elon Musk's approach to entrepreneurship and innovation. Set audacious goals. Don't be afraid to dream big. Elon Musk's ventures, such as SpaceX and Tesla, aim for goals that seem impossible at first. Persist through failure. Musk has faced setbacks, but his persistence and determination have allowed him to overcome challenges and keep moving forward, continuously learn. Musk is known for his voracious appetite for learning. Stay curious and seek knowledge in various fields. Embrace risk. Innovation often involves taking risks. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone and take calculated chances. Focus on solving problems. Musk's companies address some of the world's most pressing issues, from sustainable energy to space exploration. Look for solutions to significant problems. Prioritize time management. Musk is known for his rigorous time management techniques. Use your time efficiently and prioritize tasks effectively. Surround yourself with talent. Build a team of skilled and passionate individuals who share your vision. Collaborative effort is crucial for success. To never stop innovating. Musk is constantly pushing boundaries and seeking ways to improve existing technologies. Embrace a mindset of continuous innovation. Maintain a long-term vision. Look beyond short-term gains and focus on the long-term impact of your work. Stay resilient. Success often requires resilience in the face of adversity. Stay committed to your goals and persevere through challenges.